Hi friends! I have 10 magical present boxes here, and there is a toy inside each of them. The only way to open each magical box and rescue the toys inside is to find a number tile that matches with the number on the box and place it next to it so the magic would happen. I've asked my Paw Patrol friends to come to the rescue. Come and help us. Chase is on the case. Green means go. I'm fired up. And then I'll take them to the sky. The first number is number 1. 1. It's the color red. Let's see if Paw Patrol can find number 1 tile and open the box. Oh, looks like Marshall found number 1 tile. He's placing it down next to the box. Good job, Marshall. Wow, look, I think now we can open up the present box. Let's see what's inside. It's an airplane. Let's place it on the box lid so Marshall can take it to Sky. Sky is waiting for the pups to collect the toys. Bye-bye, airplane. The next number is number 2. 2. It's the color orange. Let's see if my Paw Patrol friends can find number 2 tile and open the box. Oh, looks like Rocky this time found number 2 tile. He's placing it down next to the box so the magic would happen. Good job, Rocky. Oh, look, I think now we can open up the present box and see what's inside. It's a cat. Hi, cutie cat. Oh. Let's place it on the box lid so Rocky can take it to Sky. Bye-bye, kitty cat. The next number is number 3. 3. It's the color yellow. Let's see if my Paw Patrol friend can find number 3 tile to open the box. Oh, looks like Chase found number 3 this time. He's placing it down next to the box, waiting for the magic. Good job, Chase, by the way. Oh, look, we can open the present box now. Let's see what's inside. It's a ducky. Hi, ducky. Let's place it on the lid so Chase can take it to Sky. Bye-bye, ducky. The next number is number 4. 4. It's the color light green. My Paw Patrol friends are looking for number 4 tile to open this box. Oh, Marshall, you found it. Good job. He's placing it down next to the box. Look, magic is happening. Whoa, let's open the box now and see what's inside. Look, it's a little dino. Hi, dino.
Na 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 na.
Let's place it on the box lid so Marshall can take it to Sky. Bye-bye, dino. The next number is number 5. 5. It's the color green. My Paw Patrol friends are looking for number 5 tile. Let's see if they can find it. Oh look, Rocky found it. Good job, Rocky. He's placing it down, waiting for the magic. And there you go. I think we can open the box now. Let's see what's inside. Oh look, it's a cuddly teddy bear. Hi, teddy bear. Let's place it on the box lid so Rocky can take it to Sky. Bye-bye, Teddy. The next number is number 6. 6. It's the color turquoise. Let's see if my Paw Patrol friends can find number 6 tile to open this box. Oh, good job, Chase. Looks like Chase found number 6 tile. He's placing it down and waiting for the magic. We can open the box now. Let's see what's inside. Oh look, it's a little robot. Hi, robot. Let's place it on the box lid so Chase can take it to Sky. Bye-bye, robot. The next number is number 7. 7. It's the color light blue. Let's see if my Paw Patrol friends can find number 7 tile to open this box. Looks like Marshall found it. Good job, Marshall. He's placing it down next to the box. I think we can now open the present box and see what's inside. Look, it's a dump truck. It's color white and blue. Let's place it on the box lid and then Marshall gonna take it to Sky. Bye-bye, dump truck. The next number is number 8. 8. It's color blue. Let's see if my Paw Patrol friends can find number 8 tile so that we can open this box too. Looks like Rocky found number 8 tile. Good job, Rocky. He's placing it down. Let's wait for the magic. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Oh look, this one is a guitar. Hi, guitar. Let's place it on the box lid so Lucky can take it to Sky. Bye-bye, Victor. The next number is number 9. 9. It's the color purple. Let's see if my Paw Patrol friends can find number 9 tile to open this box. Good job, Chase. Looks like Chase found number 9 tile. Let's wait for the magic. And there you go. I think we can now open this present box and see what's inside. Look, this one is a teapot. Hi, teapot. Hey, do you know the teapot song? Let's sing it together. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Great job! Let's put it there on the lid so Chase can take it to Sky. Bye-bye, teapot. The next number is number 10. It's also color pink. Now let's wait for my Paw Patrol friends to find number 10 tile so that we can open the box. Looks like Marshall found it. Great job, Marshall. Let's wait for the magic. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. Look, it's a bunny. Hi, bunny. You know what's Bunny's favorite food? It's carrots. Bye-bye, Bunny Rabbit. Now all the toys are inside the yellow basket hooked up into Sky's helicopter, ready for the fly.
Yay!
Bye-bye, little toys. Take care. Thank you, Sky.